10 Interesting facts about Goa. Goa is India's smallest state located on the Arabian Sea southwestern coast and having everything from magnificent nature vistas to historic architecture. Goa is known for its beaches and is a famous tourist destination in India. In fact, it is known as the fun capital of the country. But did you know that over a third of Goa is covered by forest? Around 20% of Goa's land lies within India's Western Ghats, a large mountain range and biodiversity hotspot. The forests here are teeming with exotic wildlife, including Indian giant squirrels, mongoose, slender loris, Indian macaque, and sloth bears. Can you take a guess how many bars Goa has? There are almost 7,000 bars to choose from. Goa is widely known as India's party district and is visited by thousands of sun-seeking tourists every year. Did you know that Goa celebrates two Independence Days? India became an independent country free from British rule on 15th August 1947, but the Portuguese refused to release control over Goa. On 17 December 1961, the Indian Army, Air Force and Naval Forces invaded Goa and defeated Portuguese army. On 18 December, the Portuguese governor officially surrendered and the next day, Goa officially became a part of India. Goa has one of India's largest waterfalls. The Dudhsagar waterfalls located in the state's far east are India's second highest waterfalls, standing at the towering 603 meters. You might not know this, some of India's oldest rocks are found here. Geologists claim that evidence of human inhabitant in Goa can be traced back to the Stone Age. Some of the oldest rocks in India are found in Goa between Mollem and Anmod. These rocks date back more than 3,600 million years. Goa is home to Asia's only naval aviation museum. The Naval Aviation Museum in Goa is the first and only one of its type in Asia. Apart from this, here are some quick facts related to Goa. Many people are unaware that Goans can apply for and obtain a Portuguese passport in addition to the Indian passport. Now that's amazing. The first printing press in India was established in Goa. In 1556, at St. Paul's College in Goa, India's first printing press was established. In 1842, the first medical school in India was founded in Panjim, Goa. It was also one of Asia's oldest medical schools. The Portuguese established Goa Medical College in Panjim, but it has since been shifted to Bambolim. Goa is the second state in India after Orissa where world-famous olive red-legged turtles flock to Morjim to lay their eggs. It set the context for naming the state's transport service as Kadamba Tourist Corporation. Uniquely, no other transport service has been named after a dynasty. Which of these facts fascinated you the most? Let us know in the comments below and don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel to keep up with us on The Bright Muscle.